So in this video, I'm going to show you 5 things that you can do for free right here in NYC. Yeah, that never happened. I am in a very rainy and windy New York City today, and when many of you think of whoa, my thing's gonna blow away. Now, when most people think of New York City, they probably think expensive, and to be honest, that's a pretty fair assumption. The housing is expensive, the food's expensive, transportation costs, it's all expensive. But, sorry for the lens, but there's actually quite a bit of free stuff to see and do here. So in this video, I'm gonna show you 5 things that you can do for free right here in NYC. We got into New York City the night before. Living just 4 hours away, it's an easy drive. For the first time ever, we stayed in Brooklyn, a hip and trendy borough of New York City. And that's where this day starts out. So I am currently in Brooklyn, New York. Brooklyn is the site of our very first free place, and I may very well break my umbrella out here. Oh boy. Despite the rain, I made the decision to walk to my first destination, which was the Brooklyn Bridge. The hotel told me it was only a 20-minute walk or so away, so I had planned to do that and then take the subway to the other 5 places. After grabbing a quick lunch,
this Mexican food is not on that list, but it is excellent.
I was ready to head that way. Now, as I've said in the past, I have an iPhone 6 that I got back in 2014. A lot of things simply just don't work, including the GPS.
Oh look, dog. There's a dog. How's it going, puppy?
Admittedly, I'm a bit lost right now. My iPhone's GPS doesn't work because I have an iPhone 6 from 2014, so I'm a bit lost.
No, no. There we go. Wow.
This was supposed to be like a 15-minute walk from the hotel. It's been like an hour and a half.
Well, I've wandered into a park and I'm not sure I can get to where I'm going from here.
I'm getting real close to just writing this off as a failure. Hate doing that, but I mean, my goodness, this is awful.
I mean, guys, my shoes are soaking wet. The bottom of my pants are wet. My jacket is wet.
The reality of being a YouTuber is that sometimes you fail at videos. Right now, we're failing pretty hardcore.
This guy's out here running. That's crazy. It's rated so hard. Son of a biscuit eater. Oh God. Oh my goodness. Why did I do this? Oh my gosh, this is an absolute failure. This dude is literally running down here. My gosh. This is like ridiculously heavy rain, guys. This is stupid. If I don't break my camera in the process, I got this dude running too. Goodness gracious. You gotta be kidding me, man. Come on. And I top it off.
My mic is covered in water. I hope it still works. If there is a silver lining to what I just stood through, it's this view of the city. Look how beautiful it is. I'm done. It's like 4 in the afternoon. The sun's gonna go down soon. I'm soaking wet. I'm gonna dry off. It's rough, fam. This has been a rough one. And there goes my umbrella.
Hey, this was pretty cool. There's soccer fields right here, and that's the Manhattan skyline. That's really neat. My socks are very fitting today. Lightning strikes and clouds. And of course, just as I call an Uber, it stops raining. Go figure. How you doing?
I'm okay, you doing?
It's good to be back in the dry warmth of the hotel room. Holy cannoli. I had no idea today was gonna go that away. Look at all this water, guys. Look at around my neck. The arms. Look at that. Oh my goodness. This is why I came back. There's only so much of being this wet I can handle. I mean, I'm soaked. And then my pants, the darker blue areas are areas that are just dripping wet, man. Just dripping wet. Wow. And my poor microphone, this may make some of you sad. Look at how wet my mic is, if it'll get in focus. Look at that. Yeah, hopefully it still works. This is just the dead cat, so hopefully the bottom layer here is just fine. We'll see. All right, took it out of the dead cat. To be honest, it doesn't feel wet at all. This doesn't. The back here does just a little bit, but this does not feel wet. So thank goodness for the dead cat. It took the brunt of that beating for sure.
All right, it's late at night. Holly, where have you been in the vlog?
I have been at the Trav Media International Media Marketplace.
What were you doing there?
I was networking with PR people for travel places.
Well, you missed out on all the fun.
This is true, I did.
It was not fun. It wasn't.
It was fun for the rest of us watching you.
Whoa!